Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. Probably the most simplest video I've ever made. Somebody emailed me because I could have just emailed them and told them what to do. They say their guidelines do not stay in place. Well, if we grab a guideline, it disappears from either direction. Well, it's because your guidelines are off. You can see that box, Corel doesn't do the best job of this. It's not really highlighted, but if you hit it, then it becomes white and there's your guidelines. And just to make the video a little bit better, if you pick on a guideline and hit P, it'll put it in the center of the page. But let's say you have a lot of guidelines and there's other ways to turn them off, but not that easy. You know, you can go up to view and check that off and it'll turn off the guidelines, but then you got to go to view and turn them back on. So it's just as easy to go up here. But those guidelines are still always there. If you want to get rid of a lot of guidelines, there's more than one way to do this, but if you'll click on a guideline and turn it red basically, and then control A, which is control all, almost in a lot of programs, and then hit delete, those guidelines are gone, all of them. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.